couldn't create illustration problem. So if you're facing this problem in Higgsfield, there's two reasons. Either sometimes the server is overloaded and there's like a lot of people using the server. So it says that. The other thing is whatever you're asking to generate, that model might not be the one to use to generate stuff. So just click on the option over here which shows the model name and select some other model you want. Maybe you can use ChatGPT. That's the best one until now. Or you can use Nano Banana too. Just change model and try to generate stuff. It should work. And if you're trying to generate like adult 18 plus stuff and NSFW content, then of course it's gonna say you that, all right? And in reference image, if you're adding something bad as well, then it's going to show you stuff like that. So keep that in mind. So yeah, if you're facing that kind of problem, majority is basically because you're asking it to generate something like, bad, or like, if you're facing problem, even though it's not something bad, what I will suggest you to do is ask it to generate the same thing but in a different way. Sometimes the way you enter the prompt confuses the AI. So try to enter the prompt like, in a more simple and AI understandable way. The best thing what I will suggest you to do is just copy the prompt and paste it on Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT and ask it to make sure that the prompt which you just entered, make it simple. And once it makes it simple, you can copy and paste it over here and the AI will understand it more perfectly. So you can do these things to fix a problem. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.